And we're back to learn Illustrator in the year day 127. Let me show the radar graph tool. It's the final one here in this toolbox for the graph tools. Right click on the toolbox and you can select it. Left click on the canvas. You can set the overall size and then add your values. And in this case, we can add, for example, the social media names in the first row yet again, then add our values. But for it to be shown, we need at least 3 values for each of these names. 1 value will only define a point, 2 values will define a line, and with 3 values we get a triangle. So every time we add a new row of values, we're going to get a new axis, and then the points will be connected with 1 line. Let me add 5 for each. Here in this case, it can make sense to transpose it. In this case, the names that you've given, so in our case, we have 4 columns. They will now define the axis right here. So we have 2 axes, but it's in plus minus direction. So we have 4 in total. And then the 5 values will be rearranged accordingly. But the regular orientation is like this. So we now have 5 values, therefore 5 axes, and then these 4 names. You can also recolor that, just select it as I've shown you in earlier videos, object ungroup, confirm, and then object ungroup all. But it's a little bit harder to select as everything only has a line, and I have picked values here that are very similar, but they all have a stroke color, and then they have these specific points on the axis. They also have a fill, so if you want to recolor that, it takes a little bit more time than with other graphs, but it works the same way. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.